Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Gemini Assistant on your S25 Ultra. First, make sure your phone's software is completely up to date for optimal performance. Then, find and open the Google app on your device. This is where we'll start the activation process for Gemini. It's a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through each step to get you started quickly. Once inside the Google app, tap your profile picture, usually in the top right corner, to open the settings menu. From there, look for and select the Gemini option. You'll then see a series of on-screen prompts. Simply follow these instructions to enable Gemini and customize its initial settings to your preferences. It's designed to be user-friendly. After activation, you can personalize Gemini to better suit your needs. Adjust settings like its voice, preferred language, and whether it can access your personal results. Make sure to grant any necessary permissions so Gemini can function fully across your device. You can also explore advanced features, including setting up routines or integrating with your smart home devices for a truly connected experience. Now that Gemini is set up, you can easily access it by saying "Hey Google" or by swiping from the bottom corner of your screen. Use it to ask questions, set reminders, get directions, or control your smart home devices with simple voice commands. It's a powerful tool for daily tasks. Also, if you're looking to freshen up your ride, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Enjoy your new assistant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.